I'm sorry if I'm talking weird. I think it's just the numbing on the lips. Hey y'all, so today I'm at the LaserAway grand opening in Oklahoma City. I am also getting my lips done today and I'm so excited. Alright y'all, now I'm in the treatment room. I'm about to get my lips numbed. This is my nurse Chandler. I'm super excited. The room is gorgeous and let's go, let's do this. I've been coming to LaserAway to get my lips done for about four and a half years now. They always go over and above my expectations. Today I'm going to be mainly getting on the top and a little bit on the bottom since my bottom lip is naturally fuller. Alright y'all, I'm all done. Chandler was amazing. I cannot wait to see my results and I'm so happy that LaserAway is now in Oklahoma City. Thank you, LaserAway.
Ready to be a laser babe? 3 steps. 1, subscribe to our channel. 2, watch more amazing videos. And 3, schedule your free virtual consultation for any of our services by clicking the link below. Then we can be friends in real life. Bye!